So how do you change accounts on your Oculus Quest headset? Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of How to Geek. I am Bimal, and in today's video I'll show you whether or not you can change your accounts, and if it's possible, what are some of the ways you can do so. So in order to change our accounts on Oculus Quest 2, it's relatively very simple. I'll basically show you two methods. First method includes that you go ahead and in factory reset your Oculus Quest headset and then log into another account. Now factory resetting process is also very easy. You can press the volume buttons and the power buttons together and then navigate through it in that way. Or else there's also another video which we've already made in order to factory reset it and then log in with another account. So in another case, let's say that there's too much of time consuming process for you, I will also show you another quick way on how you can add a secondary account. To do that, select this little options menu from the bottom left of the screen. This is the quick settings panel. Once you see this quick settings, you basically can go ahead and do whatever you want over here, but you have to select the option called settings from the top right hand side. Once you select the option called settings over here, you'll be able to see all these sorts of various options. But if you look on the right hand side, there is the option that says accounts. So just select and tap on it. And just select the option called accounts. You will see this kind of interface over here. Now what you have to do is just select the option that says add account from the top right. Once you select add account, you can see please make sure your headset is connected to the internet. Then give your headset and controllers to the other persons so they can set up their account, and just tap on the continue button. But if I select continue right now, it is going to stop the screen recording and move on to the setup screen. But I can assure you the process is very similar as to how you first reset it and then opened up Oculus, though in this case the case is that we are not resetting it, we're just adding secondary accounts. So make sure you have your mobile phone ready with you as well as the Oculus app on which your account is connected. And this is how you can go ahead and then change accounts in Oculus Quest. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.